What's going on, guys? Welcome back to RC Voodoo. I just finished up the MN86KS build, and this thing was a blast to build. The detail that they put in this is pretty much the most detailed kit I think that I've ever put together. Even the door trim, the panel trim here, this is not molded into the model. You actually have to put each individual piece in. They've got detail like the fold out step, opening hood. There's room inside there for ESC possibly. Maybe have to construct some kind of little tray, but there's definitely room to get a small one in there, or your receiver. This comes with servo and motor, but no ESC and receiver. So even had to put together the little winch that goes inside the bumper. Give you a look on the inside here. So if we can get a shot on the inside. Of course, I painted all the details inside on the door handles and the buttons and the dash. It's hard to see in there. One thing I didn't get is a sticker sheet for the gauge cluster there. I'm not sure if I just didn't get one or if this doesn't come with one, but for all the detail they give in this, and then to not get a sticker sheet or just a single sticker for the dash gauges, thought that was odd. Turn around here. Back door opens. Very hard to see in there. That's too dark. But again, on this side, it's got the swing out step. The front doors open and the rear door opens, but the back doors do not open. Shocks are good. They are not oil filled, but I think that is going to look pretty realistic out on the trail. I like that body roll. It don't have insane flex. It's realistic. It's what you would expect. This is not a crawler to take out and get serious with, but I mean that's more flex than a real one would have, or close. It's very realistic. One thing I did not like about this also is they give you rims that's basically Steelies, and I don't think that you can even get a Mercedes with Steelies. I just don't think that's even an option if you wanted to. So this is, I've done this whole build in two parts, but it took probably 8 hours. Working a little bit and stopping, working a little bit and stopping. So I've got a hyperlapse from start to finish on this. So you also have the option, if you don't want the snorkels, they give you little inserts. They're like little grills, and they look good. I debated no snorkel, use the snorkel, went back and forth, and finally ended up with the snorkel. You do get one set of lights for the headlights. These are light buckets in here that can be wired for LEDs, as well as, get the camera up here, as well as the back spotlights. Those are can be used for LEDs and the tail lights. And it also comes with the grills for the tail lights. But absolutely, this interior comes red. I'll let you know that. If you saw in the unboxing, the interior comes red. And I did not like that red, so first thing that happened was that interior got painted. Hard to see in there, but let's go ahead and roll the hopper laps. Hope you guys enjoyed. I cannot say enough good things about this model. I wanted the black one. They sent me a green one. I was kind of disappointed, but the more I looked at it, I'm glad that I have the green one now. So that's yeah, very impressed with this one. Really like it. The detail is just amazing. If y'all's interested in this, I will leave a link in the description with coupon code. Check it out. They offer the version without all the snorkel, roof rack, all the extra stuff you see. They offer the plain version, and then they offer the upgraded one that has, you know, everything you see on the spare tire. All this stuff on the outside is basically the difference between the versions. Anyway, let's get to the speed build. Hope you enjoy.
Don't stop. 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 Don't stop.
Alright guys, that's going to do it. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.